How to use voucher in MEXC. First, you will need to sign into your account. Once you have signed in, click on your profile icon right here in the top right, and you want to go into the rewards hub. Once you go into the rewards hub, you will scroll down and you will see the option for voucher. So here you will see 5 USDT voucher. How can we use this voucher? It is going to tell us that USDT vouchers can only be used to offset futures trading fees. And here's how you do it. You click on futures here and you can select the first option. Now once you click on futures, give it some time to load the market. And once you have the market loaded up, you will go and select capital flow here at the bottom. And then the type, you will click on type and you can select voucher. Right here, if you have any available vouchers, then you can enable them right here and it is gonna remove the fee or whatever the voucher is good for. That's how you do it. I hope this helps. Leave a like and subscribe. I'll see you next time.